Hello, I'm Sushma Rai, Assistant Teacher at UPS Pagra Devariya Sadar. I'm going to present a lesson on the topic Tenses of English Grammar for Class 8th. I hope after watching this presentation, you all are able to understand the basics of tenses. First of all, let's try to understand the definition of tenses. सबसे पहले आइए काल की परिभाषा जानें। Tense is the time of a verb's action or its state of being, such as present, that is something happening now, past, that is something happened earlier, or future, that is something going to happen. क्रिया के जिस रूप से कार्य करने या होने के समय का ज्ञान होता है उसे काल कहते हैं। काल के तीन भेद हैं। वर्तमान काल जो समय चल रहा है यानी प्रेजेंट टेंस, भूतकाल जो समय बीत चुका है यानी पास्ट टेंस, और भविष्य काल जो समय आने वाला है यानी फ्यूचर टेंस। Now let's have a look at the types of tenses, the main types and their subtypes. The main types of tenses are present tense, past tense, and future tense. Every type of tense has got 4 subtypes. Let's take present tense first. The 4 subtypes of present tense are simple present, that is present indefinite, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Similarly, past tense has also got 4 subtypes. The first one is simple past or past indefinite tense, second, past continuous tense, third, past perfect tense, and fourth, past perfect continuous tense. In the same way, future tense also has 4 subtypes: simple future or future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Let's discuss the rules for writing a sentence in present tense. आइए जानते हैं कि प्रेजेंट टेंस के अलग अलग सब टाइप्स में कोई भी सेंटेंस कैसे लिखा जाता है। सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस या प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस में कोई सेंटेंस लिखने के लिए सबसे पहले सब्जेक्ट, फिर फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट को लिखा जाता है। To write any sentence in a simple present or present indefinite tense, the rule is to write subject plus first form of the verb plus object. A few examples that we have taken here are as follows. First, I write a letter. I write a letter. Second, you sing a song. Third, we play kabaddi. Fourth, Raju likes to eat ice cream. Then taking the second type of present tense, that is present continuous tense, the rule for writing a sentence in present continuous tense is subject plus is, am, or are, depending upon the type of subject, plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. Some examples are: they are watching a movie, he is making a sculpture, Priya is cooking the dinner, I am cleaning utensils. Third type of present tense is present perfect tense, for which the rule is subject plus has or have plus third form of the verb plus object. Examples are: she has completed her task, He has gone to the park. They have played their innings. I have got a prize. Fourth type of present tense is present perfect continuous tense. The rule for writing in this tense is subject plus has or have plus been plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. A few examples are: he has been watering the plants. We have been planting trees. Shashi has been ringing the bell. And they have been lighting the lamps. Now let's discuss the rules for writing a sentence in past tense. The first subtype of past tense is simple past or past indefinite tense. The rule for writing a sentence in simple past is subject plus second form of the verb plus object. Examples are: I wrote a letter. You sang a song. We played kabaddi. And Raju liked to eat ice cream. Rule for writing a sentence in past continuous tenses: subject plus was or were plus first form of the plus object. Examples are: they were watching a movie. He was making a sculpture. Priya was cooking the dinner. I was cleaning utensils. Rule for writing a sentence in past perfect tenses: subject plus had plus third form of the verb plus object. Examples: she had completed her task. He had gone to the park. They had played their innings. I had got a prize. Rule for writing a sentence in past perfect continuous tenses: subject plus had been plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. Examples are: he had been watering the plants. We had been planting trees. Shashi had been ringing the bell. And they had been lighting the lamps. Taking same examples as before, let's now discuss the rules for writing a sentence in different types of future tenses. First type of future tense, that is simple future. The rule for writing a sentence in simple future tense is subject plus will or shall plus first form of the verb plus object. Examples are: I shall write a letter. You will sing a song. We shall play kabaddi. Raju will like to eat ice cream. For writing a sentence in future continuous tense, the rule is subject plus will or shall plus be plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. Examples are: they will be watching a movie. He will be making a sculpture. Priya will be cooking the dinner. I shall be cleaning utensils. Getting on to the next type, that is future perfect tense, which indicates the completion of an action by a given time in future. The rule for writing a sentence in this tense is subject plus will or shall plus have plus third form of the verb plus object. Examples are: she will have completed her task by the given time. Second example: he will have gone to the park by 5 o'clock in the evening tomorrow. The last type of future tense, that is future perfect continuous tense, indicates an activity that will continue over a period of time, so it is used with an expression of time. The rule for writing a sentence in this tense is subject plus will or shall plus have been plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. Examples are: we shall have been planting trees for 10 days by tomorrow. Second example, by the end of this year, Shashi will have been working as a teacher for 20 years. One thing I would like to tell you that the continuous tenses are these days also known as progressive tenses. So future continuous becomes future progressive and future perfect continuous becomes future perfect progressive tense. In the same way, present and past continuous tenses are also called present progressive and past progressive tenses. Since for writing a sentence in different tenses, we need to know the three forms of a verb. Let's now discuss the three forms of the verbs that we have taken in this presentation. The first form of a verb is called the present form, the second form is called the past form, and the third form is called the past participle form. So here we go. The first verb that we have taken is go. Its three forms are go, went, gone. Second verb, do. The three forms are do, did, done. Third verb is write. The three forms are write, wrote, written. Fourth is play. The three forms are play, played, played. Fifth, sing. The three forms are sing, sang, sung. Sixth is like. The three forms are like, liked, liked. Next is make. The three forms are make, made, made. Next is clean. The three forms are clean, cleaned, cleaned. The three forms for cook are cook, cooked, cooked. Three forms for watch are watch, watched, watched. Three forms of verb for read are read, read, read. In this verb, the spellings for all the three forms are same, but the pronunciation of the second and third form of read are read, read. Next verb that we have taken is get. The three forms of get are get, got, got. Then three forms of water are water, watered, watered. Next verb is plant. The three forms are plant, planted, planted. The three forms of the verb ring are ring, rang, rung. The three forms of the verb light are light, lighted, lighted. And the three forms of the verb eat are eat, ate, eaten. After hearing and watching this presentation on tenses, I hope you all are now in a position to answer the questions based on learning outcome. You have to make sentences using the following instructions. The first I will tell you. First question is a sentence in present indefinite tense using the verb ride. The sentence can be a girl rides a horse, or if you use a proper noun for the girl, you can say Meena rides a horse. Here are a few more questions based on learning outcome of this topic, which I hope you are in a position to answer. Hope this presentation on tenses was useful for all of you and it helped in achieving the learning outcomes related to tenses. Thank you.